What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jazz. Welcome back. Welcome back. Today I will be reviewing the July Slutbox. I love getting these, seeing what's inside, and I love the fact that even though based off the name you would think it's more adult or anything like that, it's not. It's a variety of different products. You know, it can be range from makeup to clothes and all sorts of things. So I love getting these boxes. So if anybody gets thrown off by the name, don't get discouraged by it, because you never know what you're gonna get. And that's one reason I'm looking forward to it. What do we get this month? Let's see. It's all pretty wrapped still. Okay, I'm not about to get all the confetti everywhere again this time. Let's see, what do we got? I've been waiting to open this for I don't know how long I've had it for. Oh, make sure you vote. I like that. Yes, this Slutbox. So I've been waiting to open this for I don't know how long. I've had it sitting here and I'm just like, I'm ready to review it. I want to see. I was like, I don't care about the reviews right now. I just want to know what's in it. Unfortunately, I got fussed up for trying to open it. And then it got hidden from me. Alright, so what do we got here? There's all sorts of goodies, so I'm trying not to. I'm being impatient and a little ADD now. Sorry, guys. Alright, so for starters, we got the concealers. Ooh, those will be good for if you don't want any, you know, pointage or anything like that. If it gets too cold. You ain't gotta worry about getting too cold right about now. Unless you're walking outside and then you go in and then it's freezing, which is so really okay. Sorry, I'm dying of this heat. It is July. It's no fun at all. So these are little pasties that'll help conceal any nipplage or anything like that. All right, we're gonna look at that last. Rose quartz. Ooh, it's Youth Defense Lip Plump. Peppermint oil in it, mineral oil, and a bunch of other stuff in it, which I cannot pronounce. It aims to make the lips look plumper and smoother. Ooh, let's see how this works. I'm like a little kid. I'm just like, what else is in here? What else is in here? Alright. You know, I gotta do the smell test first. Ooh, pepperminty. My guess peppermint's gonna kind of help the plumpness. I like the way it smells. We'll check at the end of the video, see if my lips are really plumper. I feel the mintiness on it. Get a little tingly. But not compared to the, was it Freak Buzz Freak, whatever lip balm that was. That was interesting. That's all I have to say about that. Alright, so we got the rose quartz. We got some concealers. We got some voter registration information. Oh, it even comes with an, can we get a stamp? So that way we can just fill it out and just throw it in the mail. Would that have been too much? I know, I'm asking for everything to be just pretty much handed to me. I'm already registered, so I don't need that. So we're gonna go over that last. This is equal. I'm not sure. It's a feminist sticker club designed by Michaela Cruz. I'm not sure what that means though. Oh, equal for all. That would make sense. Threw me for a second. Alright, let's see what else we got. I like that cooling peppermintness. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Ingredients. I'm guessing like a lipstick. Yeah, lipstick. That's what it is. It's lipstick. Thank you, Amber, for adding to my makeup. I don't really have too much. In case you haven't noticed in my videos, I'm pretty much wearing the same colors. Let's see. Ooh, a bright pink. I definitely would not have picked this out myself. That is a bright pink. I'll be rocking this in my next video. I already got lipstick on, otherwise I would try it. So, and it's Appeal Cosmetics. There we go. Make sure I got everything pointed out to you guys so you can see them as I review. Ooh, some pretty gold eyelash, or eyelash, eyeshadow. It goes on the eyes, same area. Alright, so it's called Goals, which I have plenty of. Color Rain eyeshadow. That's a pretty color. Yes, you're definitely adding nicely to my makeup collection. Ew! I just see unicorn snot. I'm so excited about this. I have no idea what it is, but it's unicorns. Which means it's pretty and it's glittery. And it says snot, which is just kind of interesting. What is this exactly? It's glitter gel. Ooh, I'm be all glittery. Unicorn snot. I love it. That's hilarious. That scissors, yes, I do. Just need a little snip. Okay, maybe I need more than that. Open! Oh, it's all the way around. Go back in there. Ew, it stinks. Let's add some glitter. You know I gotta add it random places. See, this is my form of a highlighter. And all the makeup gurus are like, no, that's not where it goes. Oh, that's where it's going today. Just everywhere. Just glitter everywhere. I like it. I love the name too. Unicorn snot. Stay put. No, you're not. You're gonna be a stubborn bugger, aren't you? No, you don't. Then we got, ooh, a moisture healing mask. Has argan oil 7 delivered, argan oil 7 formula. Delivers a combination of multiple benefits. It detangles, oh, it's for hair. I was guessing for face. So detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals splits ends. Ooh, I will love this. Protects from chlorine and salt water. Oh, we definitely need that right about now. Although I have no cool. Okay, sorry. Restores silkiness and shine. Ooh. Apply after shampoo. Apply moisture healing mask to towel dry hair. For deeper repair, leave mask in and set under dryer steamer for 5 minutes. I don't have that. Oh, definitely will help, I'm sure. I gotta smell it. Being smells, I know. Open! Open, 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 open. Alright. Ooh, it smells good. Has kind of a tropical, like coconutty smell to it. Very thick consistency. I will definitely be using this. Help me with my split ends. I got way too many of those. It's a thick yeah, it is coconut. Ah! Duh, that would make sense. I didn't read it. Alright, what else do we got? What else, what else, what else? Morning After Redefining Foam. For Mixed Chick. Reshape, redefine, and boost next day hair. Apply Mixed Chick's Morning After Redefining Foam gently throughout dry hair and remove next day curls. I don't have curls! Let me open this. I gotta smell it. Who knows, it may actually give me a little bit of curls. It smells like hair products. That's the best way I can describe it. Kind of like a soapy shampoo-like smell to it. But I don't have curls. Who knows? Hopefully it'll give me some curls. Alright, what else do we got? Ooh. Oh, I love Arts Naturals. Great products. HIDRATE Floral Water. Uplifting, refreshing, and nourish. When the mind and body feel tense, mist yourself to alleviate stressful feelings and body tightness. I have that way too much. Spritz in any room to use as an air freshener. Lightly mist sheets and pillows before bedtime. Gives your hair and scalp, wow, you can use this on anything. So gently Give your hair and scalp a gentle deep cleanse before jumping in the shower. Lightly mist face to use as a toner after cleanser. I'm not gonna smell this. It only has 3 ingredients. It's water, Rosa Demescina, however you pronounce it, aka rose, and flower oil. That's it. Oh yeah, it smells florally. I'm feeling a little stressed right now with all this having to review and everything like that, so I gotta... Oh, wait, there it goes. Just missed. Oh no, I'm over dramatic. I think I got some on my eye. It's not eye friendly. Alright, we're down to, we're almost down, we're only down to 2 more things. A green tea mud mask. Ew, I'll definitely be using this. Oh, there's an ink. It's half in English and half in, I don't know what language this is. I know it's an Asian language. So I don't know if it's Mandarin, if it's Japanese, I don't know. Cantonese, I don't know, but it's one of those languages. And then it has it in English. After cleansing, use toner to either, I've got toner now. Isn't this a toner? Yeah, I think this is supposed to be used as a toner. If not, that's what I'm using for. Wonder why I'm breaking out the next day. But it says you're supposed to use it for your face, so I'm guessing it's a toner. Alright. So, I'm set then. The unicorn snot's kind of irritating my skin a little bit. I don't think I'm supposed to put it on my face. Am I? Does it say face? Yeah, it says face. Okay, well, that's good, just being difficult today. So it's a pour green... That sounds funny. Pour green tea mud mask. It makes it seem like it's like pours in like not good quality. But I know they mean pores in like, you know, face pores and things like that. Okay, maybe it's just me that's laughing at that, but it's just funny the way it's phrased. Alright, now last but not least. Ooh, I love my sweets. I'm horny. It's a sucker. I don't know what flavor it is. Oh, it's fun cherry flavor. That's a big sucker, literally. Alright, that's it. That's all that's in the slut box. I forgot one thing. Forgot to see what's Let Freedom Ring. See any interesting things that are in here. Oh, she features, I guess, people that have posted and hashtagged her on Instagram or whatever form she does it on, so I've definitely got to check that out. What is this? Little Genie products. Ooh, gotta check that out. Oh, it's Candy Prints. I'm guessing it's... Is that who did this? Yeah, Candy Prints. They're the ones that did the suckers. Well, good thing I looked through this. Uh-oh. Whoa, oh, a little too much too fast. So right now it seems like they're just encouraging everybody to go out and vote. What a lot of this is. Oh, it goes through the history of... Let me see, what is this? Oh, voting right history. Go through that. That's pretty cool. Alright, can things stop falling out of here? Oh, so you can order more unicorn snot. I like saying that for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna go backwards now. Ooh, I wanna play bingo! It's political bingo. Are you gonna win or am I? I don't know, we'll see. So more of the, ooh, I want to see, does it have the horoscopes in it? I know I read it last week. Alright, so I'm gonna read my horoscope. I'm a Capricorn. After 2 years of having your ruler Saturn in Cancer, okay, a lot of this is over my head, so I will say that right off the bat. I'm not too into horoscopes or anything like that. So all that is over my head. After 2 years of having your ruler Saturn in Cancer causing you to focus on and reevaluate the relationships in your life, Saturn moves on into Leo. Your focus too will shift to finances and shared resources. I am focusing on that. July is the month to get in touch with those secret parts of yourself. Expect intense and profound conversations. You're feeling like balling out this month. I have wanted to go shopping a lot more. Caps, especially when it comes to expensive meals and drinks. Indulge, but don't go too nuts, babe. Why can't I just go on? Oh, I guess because my account won't like that very much. Alright, so that just wraps up my slut box for the July. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time, so stay tuned and stay jazzy. Thanks, guys!